Just an hour outside Cape Town is the township of Kayamandi, a community where most people earn about $300 a month. Fibertime, a South African startup focused on digital inclusion, is trying to bring high-speed internet to townships at an affordable price.
Our consumers generally pay for services and goods on a daily basis, so we really play in the true pay-as-you-go market segment.
For CEO Danvig de Bruin, Fibertime's innovative last-mile high-speed internet delivery infrastructure means they've been able to beat out a number of competitors.
So we plant thousands of poles every week across the country. So our distribution networks usually are in the air, aerial fiber, so we plant these poles across the township. And then from these poles we connect every home. So from the pole, we'll drop a cable inside the home, we'll knock on the door, and we'll ask if we can put up a nice Nokia router inside your home with a backup power supply.
And for just R5 a day, or roughly 30 American cents, residents can access 100 megabits per second of uncapped internet.
Yes, it's changed a lot because the children now are learning from internet most of the things. So first time we have to buy data for our kids. But now if you buy that Fibertime for the month, you can use and for your children also to do school things.
I like it because you're not spending a lot of money.
So our consumers or customers use an average of 5 gigs a day for R5. It's about 7 times cheaper than our competitors. There's also more, but this is part of the shop.
150, yeah, Vodacom also is
yes,
trying to play in the same space.
Correct, yeah, they also take the R5, but for R5 you can get 150 megs. That's about 7 minutes of TikTok.
Really?
To give you an idea.
That's it?
That's about it.
Several phone companies are also vying for a slice of the township high-speed market. While Fibertime is cheaper for those paying a daily rate, South Africa's Vodacom offers a monthly option for 99 Rand. According to internal figures Fibertime shared with Bloomberg, the company is growing quickly. With more than 200,000 households already connected, they're adding about 1,000 homes per day. If they can maintain this momentum, they expect to list on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange by 2027.
The plan is to connect about 1.8 to 2 million homes on listing date. So that will put us about on 6.7 billion rands of revenue annualized. So that will give us enough scale to do a successful listing.
With a nearly $5 million investment from the Finnish government and Nokia providing the infrastructure, Fibertime is confident it can reach that goal. Poor infrastructure and low digital literacy isn't limited to South Africa. That's why Fibertime hopes success at home will serve as a springboard into other markets.
One thing that we are very clear on that is that inequality is a universal problem and that there's a need for our product across the world. However, the market in South Africa is massive, so we think we're going to focus on South Africa for the next couple of years, but there's definitely expansion plans in the pipeline to Latin America and Asia and Africa.
And in a country where youth unemployment tops 60%, making it easier for South Africans to access fast internet cheaply could go a long way in creating jobs, boosting incomes, and growth.